Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of parquet flooring, a classic choice that exudes timeless elegance for any home. If you're considering parquet flooring for your space but need more information, you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll cover everything you need to know about parquet flooring, from its features and benefits to installation and comparisons with other flooring options. Let's start with the features that make parquet flooring stand out. Parquet is a type of hardwood flooring known for its unique and intricate patterns. The flooring is made from individual wooden pieces, usually small strips or blocks, that are arranged in various geometric designs, adding a touch of sophistication to any room. One of the key attractions of parquet flooring is its versatility. It's available in a wide range of wood species, including oak, walnut, cherry, and more, each bringing its distinctive colors and grains to your space. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, parquet flooring offers several benefits that make it an excellent choice for homeowners. Durability: parquet flooring is highly durable and can withstand heavy foot traffic, making it ideal for both residential and commercial spaces. Longevity: with proper care and maintenance, parquet flooring can last for decades, even generations, making it a long-term investment. Easy to clean: parquet flooring requires minimal effort to keep clean. Regular sweeping and occasional mopping will keep it looking pristine. Allergy-friendly: unlike carpets, parquet flooring doesn't trap dust, pollen, or pet dander, making it a healthier option for allergy sufferers. Temperature regulation: wood has natural insulating properties, helping to maintain a comfortable temperature in your home year-round. Parquet flooring brings a touch of elegance and warmth to any space. Whether you prefer a traditional or modern interior design, parquet complements various styles. The intricate patterns and natural wood grain create a visual appeal that can become a focal point in your room or provide a subtle backdrop to highlight your furniture and decor. There are several types of parquet flooring available to suit different preferences and budgets. Solid parquet: made from solid wood blocks or strips, this type provides unmatched durability and can be sanded and refinished multiple times. Engineered parquet: this consists of a top layer of real wood adhered to multiple layers of plywood, making it more resistant to moisture and temperature fluctuations. Herringbone parquet: it consists of rectangular wooden blocks arranged in a zigzag pattern, resembling the bones of a herring fish. Now, let's talk about the installation process of parquet flooring. While professional installation is recommended for the best results, it's essential to understand the general steps involved. Subfloor preparation: the subfloor needs to be clean, dry, and level to ensure a smooth installation. Adhesive application: parquet pieces are glued down to the subfloor using adhesive, with careful attention to the chosen pattern. Finishing touches: once the parquet is laid, sanding and finishing may be required to achieve the desired look. Laminate vs. parquet: while laminate may imitate the look of parquet, it lacks the authentic charm and durability of real wood. Tiles vs. parquet: parquet flooring offers a warmer and more inviting feel compared to cold tiles, creating a cozier living space. Finally, let's sum up the compelling reasons to choose parquet flooring for your home. Timeless elegance: parquet adds a touch of timeless elegance that never goes out of style. Durability: it's a long-lasting flooring option, making it a cost-effective investment. Versatility: with various wood species and patterns available, you can find the perfect parquet to match your interior design. Health benefits: parquet flooring is allergy-friendly and contributes to a healthier indoor environment. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to parquet flooring. If you're looking to add a touch of sophistication and warmth to your home, parquet flooring might be the perfect choice for you. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, take care, and happy decorating!